Hey y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Don't you think this is adorable? This is the Alton. This is the living room, dining room of the Alton. It's so pretty. There's so much to see here. Look at this. It's got these adorable cabinets. They're really pleasing to the eye, white color. There's no carpet in this apartment either, and the flooring is great. Everything about this is just pretty special. And you've got just really nice appliances. You've got a wine fridge, beautiful backsplash, and you've got gas on your stove as well. You've got stainless steel appliances for the fridge, and then you've got a wonderful island here too. This is an adorable one bedroom, and you need to put it on your list for top places to be considering for the Dallas area. If you have any more questions about the Alton or about the top luxury residences in Dallas and one that's going to fit you and fit your lifestyle, my number is below. Send me a text. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm excited to just chat with you and meet you. So send me a text and we'll chat. Hey, let's go see some more at the Alton.